honestly, they look even better in person. The upper is wrapped in premium black suede, giving it a luxe feel. The signature KAWS cross graphics are etched subtly throughout the material. This isn't just a sneaker, it's art you can wear. From the midsole to the outsole, everything has been reimagined. The semi-translucent sole features glow-in-the-dark details, with more KAWS graphics underneath. It's these little things that make this collab stand out. Let's dive into the details. The silhouette stays true to the iconic Jordan 4 design, but KAWS influence is evident in every corner. The premium craftsmanship is undeniable. The plush suede covers the upper, including the wings, which are usually made of plastic in standard Jordan 4s. Even the heel tab gets the suede treatment with the embossed XX logo instead of the Jumpman. Now, you're probably wondering, how do these look on feet? Well, let me tell you, they're showstoppers. Whether you're rocking all black fits or trying to make the sneakers the focal point of your outfit, these work seamlessly. Pair them with tapered pants or even shorts to really let them shine. Also, they're surprisingly comfortable for a collab like this. The air cushioning feels great, and that glow-in-the-dark sole. A total conversation starter. Overall, the Jordan 4 Retro KAWS Black is more than a sneaker, it's a piece of art, a cultural statement, and a collector's dream. From the design to the materials, every inch of this shoe is crafted to perfection. If you're lucky enough to own a pair, consider yourself part of an elite group. Now, I've been getting a lot of questions from you all about where to find legit sneakers without breaking the bank. That's why I'm so excited to tell you about repsneaker.net. They're reliable, their quality is top-notch, and their prices are unbeatable. And don't just take my word for it, they're rated on Trustpilot too, so you know they're the real deal. And here's the best part, you can save even more with our exclusive discount code RSNOW. That's right. Use code RSNOW at checkout, and you'll get 15% off your entire purchase. Let me break it down for you. Say these sneakers are priced at $175. With the discount, you're only paying $148.75. What a steal, right? So, if you've been holding off on upgrading your sneaker game, now is the perfect time. Head over to repsneaker.net, pick your favorites, and don't forget to use that discount code RSNOW to save big. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. For your convenience, I've included the link to their website right in the description box below. Just click, shop, and save. It's that easy. Before we wrap things up, make sure to smash that like button if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to RSNOW UNBOX and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos and exclusive deals. Share this video with your sneakerhead friends who love a good deal too.